welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this hair from Love Me Hair. So as you can see, the packaging is really nice. The first thing you get obviously is your wig. Super cute packaging. I really enjoyed their packaging. It's one of the best that I've received thus far, so that's really good. It comes with a little pouch that has a Love Me Hair clip, which is super cute too. Like, they're just really cute at Love Me Hair, honey. They gave some bobby pins. We have an elastic band, and there's an extra elastic band or adjustable strap in the wig as well. We have tweezers, an edge brush. We have, I think it's like a headband. It has like a wire that you can like bend. I really don't know, but it's cute. It's cute. We also have some wig caps, which always come in handy. I can't ever get enough of an extra wig cap, honey. And we have a brochure letting you know about different ways that you can take care of the hair. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the inside of the wig. This is a T-part wig, so you get like the illusion of a frontal wig because, you know, you have the perimeter of the lace that's giving that look, but in the part it's actually one strip, and you guys will see once I open it up. But here I'm showing you guys the lace. The lace is super light, so I think it would be good for different skin tones because you can just put your makeup or your lace tint or whatever the case may be. But here's what I was saying about the T-part wig. You have your parting space in the middle, and then in the perimeter you have like a limited amount of parting space where you can part your hair. So yeah, and then that's the adjustable strap. So I'm going in and sectioning off the hair, and then I'm going to be going in with my spray bottle just to get the hair a little bit damp before I put in my Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. That's what I'm going to be using to define the curls. And yeah, this process is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let the video play and speed it up a little bit. Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your girl Robin, and today we are going to be talking about this hair from Love Me Hair. They were kind enough to send me this bronze brown T-part 20-inch unit. It's 180% density. And just a little bit of background on the T-part units, because I wasn't familiar with them before this. So basically a T-part unit is gonna give you this parting space. So you have this parting space, it's about this much lace in the part, and you're really limited to that parting space, but you do have like a frontal look on the sides, which I really like. I think that's kind of cool that you can kind of get, it's limited parting space here, but you can still kind of finesse it and get kind of like a frontal look. But other than that, I kind of have a list of pros and cons to keep me kind of organized so I know what to tell y'all. But I really haven't gotten that too much experience with this hair yet, just because I just installed it yesterday. So this is kind of like an initial review of how I'm feeling about the hair so far. So let's get straight into it, y'all. So my first pro is that the hair didn't have no weird smell. Now, sometimes when you order hair from these companies, the hair be smelling weird. The hair be smelling fishy. The hair be having a smell. But this one didn't have no type of weird smell. It just smelled like regular hair. So that's definitely a plus because, you know, who has time for that? Who has time for that weird smell? Who has time? Nobody. So my next pro about this hair is that the curl pattern is actually giving. Like, I really like it. I think it's really cute. I like the length. It's just really cute. I like to do my hair in like the wet look like I showed you guys in the last clip. So I just think it's just giving. Like, I don't know what else to tell y'all about the curl pattern. It's really cute and it's really manageable too. Like, I haven't had any crazy shedding. Also, when I washed the hair, because I did wash the hair before I installed it, I washed it in like some Shimmer Lights purple shampoo just to take a little bit of the brassiness out of the hair. And while I was doing that process, I didn't receive a lot of shedding. It was pretty surprising, honestly, because I was expecting it to shed a little bit more than it did. But I really don't get that much shedding. Like, where's my brush? I haven't cleaned out this brush at all. And you can see it's barely any hair. Let me take it out so you guys can see. This is the amount of shedding that I've gotten so far. So that's crazy. It's really minimal. So I like that about the hair. I think that's a really good detail because nobody wants to be dealing with hair falling out all. No, nobody has time for that. No. We're not doing that. So those are my pros for the hair. I really enjoy those details about the hair. Now let's get into the cons. Oh. And before I move on, shipping. Shipping was really fast. It took about 3 to 4 business days, to be honest, from the time that I knew I was going to get the hair. So the shipping was really quick. I enjoyed that. I definitely enjoyed that. So now moving on to the cons. The only thing that I'm really not a huge fan of is the construction of the wig. It's not big head friendly. I don't know if you could tell yet, but I have a big head. Okay, so when I was trying to put the wig on before I had installed it, I was just trying to see, you know, measure it, see what was going on. And I put it on and it was like when I would pull one side down to my hairline, it was like the other side was like way back here. So it just wasn't fitting my head. It was a little bit too small for my head. So me installing it was a little bit of a struggle because I had to kind of like work to get it, you know, on basically because it's just a little bit too small for my head. So if you are a big head girl, just be mindful of that because, girl, I was struggling. I was going through it. I was literally going through it. I couldn't find my wig glue and I had like a little bit left of my like Erica J glue. So I had to cut the bottle open to use the little bit of glue that was left in that bottle because I couldn't find my bold hold that I just got. I'm tacking down one side. As soon as I tack down one side, the other side lifted up. Like, it was just a struggle. But it's just because it was too small for my head. So that's like one of the cons that I have. And I'm honestly not a huge fan of the T-part construction for the simple fact that it's really limited of how much plucking you can do. You can't really, I mean, let me see. I'm gonna bring y'all in a little bit so y'all can really see. I don't really know, like, it's just so hard to pluck it because I'm normally with the frontals. I'm normally with the frontal wigs, with the full lace wigs. That's what I'm into. So I be plucking Like, I be plucking for real, for my life. And you can't really do that with this wig. So it's limited. It's very limited. You can only part it this way, and you can really only wear it this way. So that's just something to consider if you're the type of person that wants a little bit of more options of like different stuff that you can do with the hair. This probably might not be the wig for you. But if you just want to have this wig to just wear in one style, then I would definitely recommend this hair. So that's all I have to say about Love Me Hair. I don't know too much about it because, like I said, I only had it for a day. I've only literally had it installed for one day. So I implore you to do your research. Please do your research. While I'm talking, let me zoom in a little so y'all can just see. Please do your research, because when you're looking for a wig, you gotta do your research. You gotta hit YouTube hard, okay? Search up the name of the wig and look at reviews and see what people are saying. Do your research, get informed, and then figure out if you want to purchase, because that's how I do it. And I honestly don't ever get hair that's like not that good, because I always do crazy research. So just do your research. Don't take my word for it. I might come back with an updated review. I might not. Who knows? We'll see. But if you are interested in buying this wig, please check out the description box, because I do have a coupon code with them. So if you want to save some money shopping with Love Me Hair, just hit that description box and use my code. I'll probably have it on the screen if I figure out how to do that. If not, it'll be in the description box. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.